2506, 9 miles, 20 right. GC Hotel traffic, just beam you off your right as a Cherokee departing the left runway. There's the same direction to flight as you. Taxiway Alpha, clear for takeoff. American 2506, Delhi Tower, runway 20 right, continue traffic holding in position. 2506, continue. Southwest 2151, runway 20 right, line up and wait, traffic 7 mile final, Boeing 737. Right, up and wait, 737. Therefore, my Tango, turn right at Hotel, Santa Ground 120.8 of today. On my Tango, right at Hotel, that's right. Southwest 2151 traffic, midfield, left side taxiway, the helicopter departing, and they're going to be departing to the east. Runway 20 right, quick takeoff. They're going to be flight 20 right, quick takeoff, Southwest 2151. Contact you. 241 making the flight below 3000, contact Southbound departure. Contact Southbound departure, and then that traffic ahead of you, right? Okay, we'll do that. Schedule. Southwest 2151, contact SoCal departure. Good day. 2151. Good morning, American 114 is just outside 11 for 20 right. American 114, Delhi Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land. Clear to land 20 right, American 114. What are the winds? Wind is 2 miles from limit. Over 60 Hotel, Delhi Tower, runway 20 right, continue traffic holding in position. Roger, 60 Hotel. Let's go 26, runway 20 right, line up and wait, traffic 8 mile final helicopter. 20 right, line up and wait, let's go 26. Frontier 260, Tower, cross runway 20 left, remain hold short runway 20 right. Cross 20 left, landing short of 20 right, Frontier 260. American 114, turn left to Echo, Santa Ground 120.8 of today. American 114, see ya. Let's go 26, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 20 right, let's go 26. Southwest 5809, we're holding position off of north of Lima and ground to talk to you. Southwest 5809, doing Roger, hold there for a minute, that American is just going to go into gate 7 in front of you. Southwest 5809. Frontier 260, runway 20 right, line up and wait, traffic 7 mile final helicopter. Line up, wait, 20 right, Frontier 260. Over 62 Hotel, how will the approach terminate? Helicopter 62 Hotel Tower. I'll take that off. Where do you want to go after the road? Back to off, 7 down the head of the 5809, cross runway 20 left, hold short runway 20 right. Cross 20 left, short up 20 right, coast 5809. West 26, contact Tokyo departure, good day. Good departure, have a good day, West 26. Frontier 260, runway 20 right, clear to take off. Pick up the right front. Coast 5809, runway 20 right, line up and wait, traffic 4.5 mile final helicopter. 20 right, line west, Coast 5809. Starlink Tower, Alaska 587, holding short of Lima Extend. Alaska 587, Starlink Tower, have Lima cross runway 20 left, hold short runway 20 right. Down Lima, clear cross 20 left, hold short 20 left. Launcher number, Whiskey runway 20 right at Kilo, line up and wait. Start 242, runway 20 right full length, line up and wait, traffic departing downfield. Line up and wait. Answer number, Whiskey caution, terminus on the FM, going 737, early left turn is approved, runway 20 right at Kilo, close to takeoff. Southwest 574, contact SoCal departure. Southwest 574, departure. Southwest 5453, cross 20 left, full short 20 right. Answer number, Whiskey with our contact altitude. And then about Whiskey is going to 1,000 for 1,500. Number, Whiskey maintain the apart below 2,400. And what's your heading show right now? We're 150 for Knockdown Whiskey. Start 242, contact SoCal departure, good day. Departure, Red 242. Aircraft checking in on final again. That's 759 running on that Zulu 20 right. So 759 July Tower runway 20 right, continue traffic holding in position. 720 right, southwest 759. So 759, just continue please. Continue southwest 759. Alaska 587 runway 20 right, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 20 right on 5. Cherry 4324 enjoying traffic, left traffic runway 20 left. So 3453 runway 20 right and line up and wait traffic on a 900-mile final company Boeing 737. Okay, 20 right, line up and wait, southwest 3453. Alaska 587, contact Tip Data Departure, good day. Good day, Alaska 587. Tower Southwest 2976, Alpha Hotel. So it's 2976 downwind traveling across from 80 left, hold short with 80 right. Cross 20 left on Lima, hold short 20 right, southwest 2976. So 3453, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff. 20 right, clear for takeoff, southwest 3450. Left, clear the line. So 2976, contact Tip Data Departure, good day. Southwest 2976, good day. Jet Edge 43, runway 20 right, full length, line up and wait, traffic 4 mile final over the Gulf Stream. Full length, line up and wait, Jet Edge 43. Cherokee 83364, downline tower cross, runway 20 right, hold short runway 20 left, Kilo. Turn left at Echo, kind of ground 1201, good day. Echo and ground south, that's again. Jet Edge 43, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 20 right, Jet Edge 43. Cherokee 364. 3056 Yankee, ILS inbound. For 3056 Yankee down, where are you parking today? Atlantic. 516. Transition approved, coming out, Altimeter 2997, squad 0262. 1499, Delaware Tower, 020 right, continue. Continue. Cherokee 241, traffic 5 mile final parallel runway to Boeing 737, do you have insight? The 241, maintain visual separation, caution, wake 720 left, cleared for the option. Or 7591, running to Delaware Tower. Traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles downwind for the Stellar runway, Cherokee 800, they have insight. One later for the Terminator, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
That one, see ya.
685 Whiskey, Delaware Tower. Cherokee 241, make a left cut.
Is that a little yellow?
20 Delaware Tower, Golf Stream 598 Golf Stream. I got number 2 p.m. southwest provision to your right.
November 598, Golf Stream, Delaware Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land.
90 ready.
Southwest 1499, runway 20 right, clear to land.
1499, 20 right.
Cherokee 75901, Romeo, cross runway 20 right, hold short runway 20 left. Over 685 Whiskey, runway 20 left at 0, cleared for takeoff. Cherokee 7591, Romeo, runway 20 left at kilo, line up and wait.
Nick, you better not do that in my video.